Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Today my partner Seri Alifah binti Dahnil and I, Ahmad Ikhwan bin Ahmad, are going to present our innovation that is called as ProEvaP. What is ProEvaP? The name ProEvaP stands for ProjeX Evaluation Platform that is basically a platform that specifically designed for the purpose of competition program. And as for now, this platform is already used in one of the main event in Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu institution, that is final year project competition. These are the items that we are going to emphasize in this presentation. We will start with introduction and ended this session with suggestion for improvement and conclusion. The idea on developing this platform came out through our observation on the management of jury scoring in competition program that is happening each semester, and one of the event is called ProjeX. ProjeX is a final year students competition that requires the involvement of various parties. The term parties here are between Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, our institution, together with industrial and universities representative. Jury scoring is a key aspect in determining the winner. Therefore, the judicial and technical committee is an important team in the success of the program. Previously, the evaluation method is using paper that will be printed for each jury, and then evolved by using Microsoft Excel, and lastly, eForm is used in the scoring management during pandemic COVID-19 due to online competition. So there are three problem statements that have been identified. The first one is various categories. There are 5 categories in this competition, and each category will have different rubrics for internal juries and external juries. For that reason, many links need to be prepared to meet the scoring criteria. The second one is communication and technical problems. Many links will lead to different person in charge. And if any problem occurs, that person in charge will only knows and deals with his or her category only. The last one is delay evaluation. If any one of the jury faces internet problem, this situation will require link operators for that particular category to be around the judges throughout the judging session. Our objective on this innovation is to produce a more structured and systematic assessment platform to solve problems arising from several scoring rubrics and assessment links. Then, our objective is to produce a judging platform that does not affect the data storage capacity of mobile phones. And lastly, facilitating the evaluation process of student projects in the program of ProjeX 24, which consists of 5 categories involving different juries. This is the whole overview of ProEvaP development platform that ultimately there are no installation of mobile apps required. The reason of me highlighting this point is because anyone with Android or iOS user will have no problem to access this platform instead of developing mobile apps that normally limited to one operating system only. On top of that, this platform won't affect the storage on the smartphone.
This is how we can access ProEvaP. The first one is using the distributed link in WhatsApp application, and the second one is through QR code. So let's try this ProEvaP link, and it will connect to ProEvaP platform. Here is the main dashboard, which consists of 4 buttons. 2 of them are for evaluation by different categories of jury, which are jury industry and university, and also jury pensyarah polytechnic. This button is for invited jury from industries and universities. Here is the dashboard. It consists of 7 buttons with various categories. So in order to return to main dashboard, we just click kembali ke pautan utama. Meanwhile, button jury pensyarah polytechnic is for jury among PKK lecturers. So also the same as previous, it consists of 7 buttons but with different rubrics. Back to main dashboard. We have another 2 buttons which are results or analisis keputusan and the survey or respon penggunaan. As for the contents, these 2 buttons show the similarity. Let we choose Juri Industri and University button. There is barisan panel pengadilan button and just click there to double check the category for each jury. We can go through the slide, and if we want to return to the dashboard, we can click the pink button at the bottom right. So it will return to this dashboard. And to evaluate, we just choose the correct category. Let's say we choose category innovation, consumer product and services. The jury will evaluate the student's project through this Google form. And another content is at the main dashboard. So we click kembali ke pautan utama. We have analisis keputusan, which is the result, and we have respon penggunaan, which is the survey. The survey is in Google form. Meanwhile, analisis keputusan is presenting in Google Data Studio. This is iPad display for main dashboard. In order to explain in detail about analisis keputusan or result analysis, I use iPad for better and larger display. So let's we click analisis keputusan button. Here is the dashboard for full result. We record the result using Google Data Studio so that we can directly analyze the data according to our needs, and it always be there to access anytime and anywhere. There are 2 pages here. The first page is for category and medal, and the second page is for full result. Let's we try to analyze according to the department. I choose JKA to see the overall result. JKA has 10 groups compete in ProjeX 24, and here we can see the list, and it can be scrolled upward and downward for the list title. And at the right column, there is medal list for each project. Now we can try to check the gold medalist for ProjeX 24. We have 12 gold medalists, and here is the detail for title and department for gold medalists. Or we can check it by department. So let's say I choose JPH. So JPH has 1 gold medalist. Here is the title. And if we want to check the medal win by each department, here is the way. We choose the full result page. And we can select the department we want to check. Let's say JKA. JKA win 5 silver medals, 3 gold medals, and 2 bronze medals. Also, we can check or we can see the winner for each category and the accumulated result obtained by each department. So after all, the Google Data Studio is good to present our informative data in interesting way. For evaluation, we can choose either Juri Industri and University or Juri Pensyarah Politeknik. So I choose Juri Pensyarah Politeknik. There are 5 categories to be choose here. So I choose category Innovation Engineering. In this Google form, there are 3 strong points to be noticed. The first one is the written link. This link is used whenever jury wrongly click the category or they just want to return to the dashboard. So let me try to click this link and it will return to this dashboard so the jury can select the correct one. So back to the Google form. We also provide the complete rubrics for reference as the scale just show part of the rubrics. So we can zoom it. And last one, we also provide the password as security so that not everybody can do the evaluation. Once the jury insert the correct password, then only they can submit this form.
We have provided surveys from internal and external juries to take their response regarding this platform. And 100% of the juries responded this platform make it easy for them, and 90.9% vote 5 stars for this platform. For the application, this platform has been used for ProjeX 24 evaluation and can be used for upcoming projects. This platform also can be used to manage other files using single link. As for example, the procedure to organize a program will need a lot of documents and steps. So this platform concept, which are simplifying steps in single link, will help the office works in an organization. This platform also can be used as an alternative in learning session, where certain platform in Polytechnic Malaysia, such as LMS, is quite heavy for students. By providing this single link concept of platform, this will facilitate students without burning them. There is a space for improvement for ProEvaP in the future. That is, scores from juries can be directly calculated and linked to the result dashboard without the need for manual calculation. And lastly, we can conclude that ProEvaP is successfully used and proved acceptable by invited jury panel. Inshallah, ProEvaP will benefit others and can be applied in various applications. That's all from us. Thank you.